Hello, in this video I will show you how you can install the uTorrent software to download any software from any torrent site or any torrent operating system. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open any browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome browser, and then I'm going to type google.com, and once we are at the home page of Google, in this search box we have to type uTorrent, and then we have to hit enter key or return key of our keyboard, and you will see this type of thing. So we have to access this site uTorrent.com. So here it is showing uTorrent, a very tiny BitTorrent client. So I'm going to click here, and then it will open like this. From here we have to download. There are different options to download, like uTorrent for web, uTorrent classic, a very tiny desktop torrent client for experienced user, and this is for web version, right? So I'm going to download this version, the classic one, because I like it, and it has a desktop outlook. So I'm going to press this button, free download, and once we click there, then it will give us 4 download options. One is Pro plus VPN, one is Pro, and the ad-free and basic. I'm going to download the free ones, which is called basic for classic, and there is a download button, green download button. If we move our cursor, we'll see the color of this download button has been changed. See here. So I'm going to download this one by clicking here, and once we click here, it will start downloading, and here you will see that it is downloading, and it downloaded successfully. It's very small size, 4.3 megabyte. Now for some of you, that software will not be downloaded. At that time we have to click here. Basically here it is clearly mentioned, if you have trouble downloading or installing, try this version. Then you just need to click here to download this thing. Once it is downloaded successfully, then I'm going to minimize this thing, or we can close the browser, and I'm going to open the downloads folder of my computer. So here is the downloads folder, and here we are seeing uTorrent installer is there. This is the exe version. So to install it, we can double click on top it, or we can right click, and then we can press the open button, open option, basically from there to start the installation. And once we click here, very shortly you'll find this type of window. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We have to press yes, and then it will start the installation window. So here we have a button, it is called next, and here there is a message like welcome to uTorrent classic setup wizard. Then we have to press the next button to go to the next step, and you will see a green progress bar. It will be there, and it will be immediately disappeared with the next button. So now we have to press this next button again, and finally there is an agreement. We definitely have to agree with the agreement, otherwise we cannot install it. So I have to press agree, and then here there is optional offer. So this thing basically web advisor, some other software it will try to install. So in this way, if you come this page, basically you can click decline, so it will be declined. And this is another free software, AVG. I'm going to decline it, and then block anything ads with Opera. So I'm also going to decline this thing because I want to install only uTorrent. That's why I choose all of those options disabled. And finally I'm going to check all this thing, or you can uncheck as you wish, and then press the next button to start the final installation. Here it is asking like additional settings. Add an exception for uTorrent in Windows Firewall to allow BitTorrent protocol. Check this thing. We have to check this thing. Start uTorrent when Windows is start up. Oh, fine. You can uncheck it because I don't want to start it every time when Windows is started. And select which type of or torrent handle by default, like .torrent, magnet URLs, and this thing. So these three it will actually support. You can also uncheck this thing because BitTorrent search engine file you don't need. We can uncheck this thing, or you can keep it. So I'm going to uncheck it, and then this two is fine for me, .torrent and magnet URLs. Then press the next button, and then you will see a green progress bar is going to finish almost, and you have to wait till it is finished. If it is not finished, and if you close this thing, you have to start the installation from the beginning. So bear in mind that during this installation time, don't close this thing till it is finished completely. And this progress bar, it will be like this way for few seconds, like 30 seconds to 40 seconds, and for some of you it may take like 1 minute or 2 minutes. just fine. If your computer is old version, then it will take some time, otherwise it will be installed very shortly. So after the installation, you will get this type of confirmation message: thank you, your installation is complete, we have successfully installed uTorrent Classic. Click finish to proceed. Launch all the application on the exit. So if you press this checkbox, then when you click this finish button, uTorrent will be open shortly. I don't want to open, so I'm going to uncheck it, and then I'm going to click finish button, and the software has been installed. Now this exe we don't need, I'm going to remove it. Just removed it, and then I'm going to close this thing or minimize this window because we don't need it anymore. Now inside this Windows menu, if we click here and if we type torrent, so it's not coming basically, so we have to type probably uTorrent. Yes, so if you type ut, then you will see uTorrent is there, and then from here you can click here to open the uTorrent software, and very shortly it will be open. For the first time it will take some time, but later it will be very fast. Once the software has been installed successfully and it loaded fully, then you will find this type of user interface. So right now I don't have any torrent to download basically. So if you have any torrent link, you can press this plus icon and then you can add the torrent over there. Okay, otherwise it's fine. So this is the installation process of uTorrent. Now you are ready to download some files which is like BitTorrent supported using this software. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily install BitTorrent client on our computer, and we can use it to download any torrent files or some documents using this client. Thank you guys for watching the video.